Hi, David from Done With Care Auto Repair. I'm in a 1999 Chrysler minivan, and today I wanted to answer one of the most common questions we get at our shop. Is my vehicle even worth fixing? Well, the quick answer is yes. But let's look at the numbers.
Is it worth fixing? Now for this exercise, we're going to look at a 2006 Honda Accord with about 240,000 miles. Now we actually had a vehicle just like this in our shop. They had a timing belt replaced, water pump, suspension work, some maintenance items done. It was well over $2,000 worth of service. And we're going to compare it to trading it in for a 2014 Honda Accord with 36,000 miles with the same options and equipment as our older version. Now let's look at the costs and compare. Now on the 2006 Honda Accord, we have a current value of $4,026. We have an 1878 trade-in value. We have some depreciation there for the next 3 years. We have the repair cost, which we calculated at half the value of the vehicle. And then we have some maintenance costs. That's calculated at 9.5 cents per mile driven, 12,000 miles a year over the next 3 years. Your total cost, $6,575.57 to operate your older vehicle over the next 3 years. Now let's compare that to the 2014, which has a used purchase price of $16,998 plus some sales tax. We took the trade-in value out of the cost. You have some interest and some depreciation and similar maintenance costs. Your total is $27,749.79. Now, after all is said and done, you have a paid-off vehicle. So after 3 years, the remaining value of the 2014 is $12,000. Subtract that from your operating costs, and your total final number is about $15,000. Now compare that to keeping the 2006. Your operating cost was $6,500. Your remaining value of the 2006 would be $2,895. So your total cost of ownership over those 3 years was about $3,600. Now to avoid paying $2,000 in repairs at the time, you end up costing yourself about $15,000 if you trade it in for the 2014.
So what's the moral of the story? Well, it pretty much always pays to keep the older vehicle. From a financial standpoint, it's really difficult to justify purchasing the newer car. It'll cost you way more in the long run. But from an emotional standpoint, it's nice to have newer vehicles. I'm not going to lie. But that should answer your question. Is it worth keeping the vehicle? And pretty much the answer is yes. I hope this helps. If you have any questions about our math or where we got our numbers, leave it in the comments below. We're happy to help however we can.